TV show Scout of the Past. In the previous episode, I am in Volterra town's psychiatric hospital. It was closed due to cruel treatment of patients. This is probably the most horrifying place I've visited so far. Patients were even treated with ice bath. They say it's haunted here. They say you can't stay overnight here. Scout of the Past. Hello, on air Scout of the Past. I, Sharunas, greet you from Ukraine. Here I present Oswald.
Welcome.
Oswald, where are we and what are we doing?
We're in the city of Sumy.
Ukraine's border city. It's a few hours from Kazakhstan, Russia.
Kilometers aren't many, but the roads are very bad, so we'll be shaken a bit.
Just now what? We have a car, which we brought for you yesterday. During that time, 2 drone jammers appeared on the car's roof. 10 channels in total we have, right?
Yes, 10 small channels.
Protection from drones ready. And what are we doing today? We're going to check out the Zveryism. It's a name of our car, like animalism. For Zveryism, we need to put on 1 jammer.
Then we adjust Zveryism to the end. And we're looking what's there in abroad without visas.
Visa-free regime, we are going to Kursk People's Republic, and we'll see what the situation is there. Everyone is wearing helmets. We have such things if an FPV drone happens to fly by, or those wired FPV drones, which are usually placed on the road and aren't afraid of jamming. So we'll have to shoot it down. The main thing is we have a button to turn on the drone jammer. Show 1 jammer and another jammer. If FPV drone flies, we turn on one, then the other. Practically all our channels are blocked. We have a Starlink antenna here, so it is an output Starlink Mini. Unlike the regular Starlink V4 version, Starlink Mini also works in Russia.
Yes, directly for Russia, and then directly for the pilots.
Okay. See, driving school works fully. Everything, the city is functioning. Oswald, are there often shellings here in Sumy?
Earlier, it was every day. It was like a tradition. Evenings especially.
Oh, in the evenings they throw glide bombs, right?
Evening and night, Shaheds drones comes. And sometimes bigger rockets. Well, KAB is rare here, but important targets were hit here. A chemical factory was hit. It was smoking for a very long time. It released a lot of dioxide compounds, nitrogen dioxide, some other dioxide.
Well, not of its mains for sure.
Completely not such.
Shaheds, what about them? Do they look for targets in Sumy?
They chose the path. The majority are launched from Kursk and fly in the direction of Sumy. They make several turns. They try to hit some important targets, a few of them. And others continue moving towards the depth of Ukraine.
And look, does it happen that an FPV drone flies, doesn't find a target, hangs in the air as a reconnaissance, and then it hits whatever it hits, or it doesn't fly that far?
It doesn't fly here usually, but it's like that on the near front. They have many of them, that's why they work with such a method. Since there are many of them, they can simply send them into standby. An important point, they fly out and just hit. If they didn't find anything, they hit whatever. Then the next one, it's like a carousel constantly.
So with Shaheds, it's not like that?
Shaheds, no.
If they don't find anything good here, they fly on.
Their goal is to scout and also see where the air defense is working. And that's why they circle, watch from where something is shooting.
As I understand, Shaheds fly quite low when they look for a target.
They are always not very high, especially when they fly past positions, it's very low. Like up to 100 meters.
Up to 100. Oh, so in principle...
Yes, you could shoot down.
Domentos used optical sight. How far did he shoot down the drone?
It was 50 meters.
Oh, 50, then 100. Okay, but shooting upwards is different.
There's still a series, you know.
And do you have more ammunition or just what's here? Oh, you have? Good. We took first aid kits, so fully equipped. I don't know if you'll see, my first aid kit is here. Tourniquet on our shoulder. Ammunition, goggles.
We've never been so ready, and this time the sky is completely closed.
So that's why we're bringing to Ukraine not only regular large Starlinks, but also these small Starlinks, Starlink Mini. Their minus is that they don't always stay connected. Sometimes they disconnect from the internet. The Wi-Fi coverage area is up to 100 square meters compared to the large one, which is about 270 square meters. But the large ones, the main thing is, are powered by 220 V, and the small ones can be powered by a car's 12 V supply. And that's the main thing, that small ones can go to Russia and still have connection. So we can do a live broadcast from anywhere, like a Payatorochka.
Well, now it's empty. Everything's bought out.
We have a small problem. We almost have no fuel. And just now we checked. We checked on Google Maps where the nearest gas station is. Put it on and just drove to Sumy. And the GPS doesn't work. In the entire city, here and there, the signal is blocked.
And it initially showed that there was only one gas station in Sudza, Russia.
Oh yes, when we arrived, the closest one showed the closest gas station in Russian territory. So the fuel will most likely be bought out there. And what is spoofing?
Spoofing is a coordinate change system. That is, the coordinates are changed, the drone is flying, it shows that it's in Sumy, and suddenly, in the spoofing zone, it shows that it's already, for example, in Russia.
I see a lot of cars with antennas are driving around.
Fashionable here in Sumy now?
This was like a military one, right?
Well, Russia declared it military, but this is a construction company. Like cement, bricks, there was nothing there, you know?
They threw a KAB bomb here?
Yes. It's a glide bomb.
Frontline daily life. One road is here, then parallel to it, another one through the fields, and another one parallel to it through the fields from the other side, because the quality is better. Maybe not this one. Well, now we've driven out a bit, already 60 almost.
Even 60 kilometers per hour?
Ooh, be careful, a pothole. Oh, this is seriously shelled.
Border villages ruined. Totally ruined.
Oh my god. So what do we see here? A tower in the last settlement, Unakivka, the last inhabited place of Ukraine. And then Russia. How far to the Russian border?
Not far, about a few kilometers.
So what now? Well, guys, get ready for visas. Get ready your passports. We will cross the border to Kursk.
We arrived to the church of Unakivka, as you see, Moscow Patriarchate, which is, I don't want to swear, they chose as the main target. And for a long and boring time now, they've been hitting with KABs, bombs for a month, but they can't break it.
So maybe there's a reason, maybe there's something under the church?
Well, maybe there is. Soon we'll be able to see.
Some kind of school. Is this not a school? A school, right, Oswald?
Yeah, it is. And you can see the dome.
Oh my god. Oh, the dome is placed on the ground. Oh, the dome is placed on the ground. Look, uniforms left. Ukrainian ones. It won't be mined?
No.
Definitely won't be mined?
Nah, chill, guys. I hear what Russia's done. I'm just saying that after the Moscow Patriarchate, where like they were running contraband, look at what kind of basements they made.
Oh my god, look how many icons are there. And here, was this a hospital for Ukrainians?
Ah, yes, this was a civil point.
Oh my, look at the chandelier. Ah, well, they probably knew it was something under this church. Oh, look, there are also medical supplies here.
If a KAB came, we would survive here.
Seriously? Huh, that's cool. Oh, look, there's water. Do we have water?
Yes, we good?
Oh, wow, bomb just hit nearby. Well, seems like it. But listen, it hit somewhere nearby because everything here shook.
Here, it constantly hits every other day.
The plaster is crumbling, falling apart. So maybe we'll stay here for a bit.
4. Normally they drop 3, somehow this time 4. Or there will be 2 or 4.
So maybe 2 planes?
1, it depends on wear and tear of an airplane. It carries either 3 or 4. Most often 3, now it's 4, seems it's a fresh airplane.
So that means nothing else will fall?
Unless another plane flies by, it can carry 3 or 4 more.
So, do we wait or go?
Let's go.
It turned out well for us that just as we ducked into the basement to look, the Russians dropped something nearby. Oh, look, a hat. Hat like a souvenir. And in the background, 4 cabs just fell. And here's one, American Bradley. Or isn't it an American Bradley?
Yeah, it's American.
American restraint. Okay, let's move. It's already here.
Jammer, command jammer.
We're turning on the jammer. We're turning on the interference. Now we will enter Russia. There's an indicator bulb there, right?
Yeah, and when you look,
Here, smoke is coming out from a hole. Something is burning. Coming up next.
it won't get any safer.
Damn, it's bombing around constantly. Finally, we did it. We're in Kursk, Petoraka. Seriously, it's Vichy production. Scout of the past. Oswald, tell me, why are we now driving on such a bad road, almost 100?
Why? Because we turn on drone jammers. Because someone might see us and we have to hurry up a bit.
This is such an open, dangerous section of road, isn't it?
Yes, we're jumping into a dangerous area, Sumy, Russian border. So we have to push a bit, but to get past this stage.
Oh, and then it will be safer again.
It won't be safer anymore.
It won't be safer anymore. So now we'll just drive fast. So if it flies into us and doesn't hit, then I throw the phone and then I shoot, right?
Yes, shoot anything because none of our soldiers are present. If drones fly in, it means Russians. Shoot, otherwise we are done.
Okay, I understand.
You see, behind the barbed wire fence, it is not advisable to walk here because there are mines. Mines of various kinds.
This border point is like a meat grinder.
Yes, this is where the assault passed triumphantly. We're marched into Russians.
Let's drive.
Let's drive through the green.
Ha! We have nothing to declare.
Well, it starts here. We just left Ukraine.
We left Ukraine already, right?
Yes, we left through the gates. That's it. Everything. This is now a neutral zone. Ukrainian girls used to greet us with pies sometimes. Those were the times. Oh, the Russians suffered here when they... You see a sign, Sudza. And here, this is a disinfection wash control. Let's say we're disinfected now. The traffic lights are not on, we can drive. Well, these f***s lived here. Russians enjoyed life, took bribes. And somehow that life is beautiful and peaceful ended.
Guys, remember I promised I'd come to Russia with humanitarian aid. I promised. Here is the humanitarian aid car that we brought from Lithuania, before that from Norway. And here is the Russian border crossing point. And we are on the Russian side. Again, they dropped a cub. Probably it is ours.
Oh, the gas station, just as Sharuna said, that needs top up. Does the loyalty card work?
I think all card works. All card suits. Are you seriously stopping? Going to the bathroom? Damn, it's bombing hard. Real bombing. Oh, how many shells were dumped here? I don't know, probably from rockets. We are going to Sudza. Oswald, do people live in these villages?
In this area, everyone who has dirty money supported Putin, yes.
Look, cows.
Back now ones, you can take it.
Let's go in here and look at this.
Well, that's where they lived, I think. Here written, it's terrible, look at the sadness, what a great place.
Ah, so people live here too?
Yeah. Here's what the Russian said. You see, sadness, what a great place. Dog is barking. Welcome to hell.
Hey guys, Sudza Piatorochka, the main legendary place where everyone comes to photograph and film. Shall we go shopping?
Damn, they don't accept cards here, they said, only cash.
Why don't you go inside?
I don't have money, local ones.
So, why money here? They said all discount cards are valid here.
Sharunas.
What?
Maybe crab sticks from Vichy?
Seriously?
Yes. Vichy, crab sticks.
Oh my god, falsely claimed it does business only in Europe and not in Russia. And there's no alcohol left? Oh, here. The entire refrigerator of ice cream fell out, probably. Via Baltica.
Oh, this one is fresher. Oh, this one is fresher. Here with lemon flavor. Where is cheaper, I wonder? According to Sudza traffic rules, there's a roundabout here, but they drive correctly into the roundabout or vice versa. This is a reversed order. We just move against the traffic. Just like that.
Be careful not to hit those dogs.
Dogs will run.
Careful, 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 careful.
Ukraine.
So are we in Ukraine already or not?
Yeah, we are. New territory.
We are now in the Kursk People's Republic.
In Kursk, indeed.
In the liberated Kursk People's Republic. This is probably the freest state in the world.
We're totally liberal, totally.
There are no laws are valid in Kursk People's Republic. There's many free houses. You can come here and settle down. Armored Ukrainian, right?
Yes, messy all around. What can I say?
I wonder why no one is restoring that border point.
During those works, there's never time.
The dragon's teeth did not help a lot.
From the other side, you didn't drive into Ukraine.
Yes, I've never entered Ukraine from this side. Oswald, where are we?
In a very good place where Zerism is stationed. It's doing its job. Soon we will improve it. There will be tuning. There are 5 channels. There will be 10. So it will be invincible.
And look, this little tank here, which was also brought by us, right? Last time.
Yes, Caravella. But again, I sent you the windows smithereens. We put the windows, we closed that window completely because they broke it twice already. But Caravella is immortal. Practically all cars from Lithuania are, as they say, lucky.
They also hit here today, right?
Yeah, here was a good hit.
Last time we were in the basement of this hospital, right?
Yeah, KAB flew here.
Okay, team, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, click subscribe, and be the first to see our latest journeys. And of course, don't forget to support Ukraine. In the next episode, greetings from Italy. Here on my right side, there is an abandoned power station. What is this now? Some carnival decorations. I've probably never been to a more absurd place. You know, I feel like this is some kind of movie studio. The bunker is like a real one. Scout of the past.